Hello everyone and welcome to Luquillo Beach in beautiful Puerto Rico. I hope you like that accent, it's the best I can do, but anyway, today we are in Luquillo, which is a blue flag beach, which basically, if my research is correct, means it's really well upkept and tourist beach. I don't know, I'll link where I found out what it was down below. I just can't remember. But guys, this beach is absolutely stunning. We just set up shop over there and I'm actually going to get a Pina colada and maybe a, I don't know what they have, an empanada. I really want to try bacalladito, but I think we're gonna try that later. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna grab a little snacky poo and a drink because I've already picked 37 fights with Seth because I'm very hangry right now. So let's go see what they got. Hola! I would like 2 pina colada with rum and a pineapple. Yeah. Yum. Oh, I'm sorry. One more thing. Do you have any pizza empanadas? Dos, please. Por favor. Okay guys, so we got 2 gigantic piñas. We're gonna do a taste test, right?
Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my god, that face. You guys see that face? Okay, ready? Oh my god, that's so good.
That is...
Look at the,
wow.
I mean, the presentation.
Hold it, you're making me...
All right, so, I'll hold it. We're just chilling.
Like a two-hander.
I know. Just see me. You guys really should have seen me trying to carry these things. But this is the life. Sorry, I picked 37 bites with you.
It's alright.
So we are gonna enjoy these fresh. I almost said cocos. No, piñas. Piñas. And check back in a little bit later when we're wasted. So I also got 2 pizza empanadas, which are like Hot Pockets upgraded. Yeah. Puerto Rican Hot Pockets, delish. Way better than regular Hot Pockets. Can you put a towel down? Delicioso. Guys, look at how beautiful this entire beach is. Like, it's not super crowded either. And there's mountains? What? And check this water out. It is so clear. You can see like every grain of sand picked up by the wave. Like, I hope the camera's picking it up. It's so stunning.
Friends.
All right guys, so we just got done at the beach and we are really hungry, so we're gonna hit up one spot that I really have been dying to hit up, which is the Kioscos de Luquillo, the Luquillo Kiosks, which are jam-packed with local food, cervezas, beer, and Pina coladas. So we're gonna try and find parking. It's nuts here. I don't know what to do.
Ya no sabes lo que pasa. El primer verso, papi. Lo que manda aquí la clave.
We got a spot. Buena. Why do they do that?
I don't know. That's pretty nice.
Yeah, right.
This is huge. Something just dropped.
Something dropped on you? Yeah?
There's a lot of dough.
Okay. Let's have a look here.
It's good.
I'm dying from the beach, so I need a medalla. I'm not saying it right. I need a beer right now. Come on.
All right, try this.
Okay, I'm gonna try the beef in this. Looks like corn. Look at that, so greasy. I'm getting there. Oh man, this and this hits in the best way possible. Now I tried his fish. It was fish, right? It was pretty good. Nothing revolutionary, but I think. Did you like mine better? Mine had a lot of seasoning in it, and the beef was good, and it was greasy. Just the kind of meal you want with a beer, and after a long day at the beach. You know what I mean?
A little more taste than mine. They're both good, but I'd say yours is a little more tasty.
So we're gonna drink our way, go to Kioscos, and see if we can find anything else to try and munch on.
Quieto, calidad pura en toda su casa.
So I think we're gonna try one more thing from these kiosks. And why did I so long? Onto your back. And see what else we can try, because guys, there's so many options. There's over like 60 kiosks here. So let's see how it goes. What? Alright, so we got one more treat to try, and we are at Luquillo Beach, right behind the kiosks. Look how beautiful it is. And we're about to chill, try this, and watch the sunset. So I got an alcapurria. Probably butchering that, but this one is filled with crab. Good crab? Okay, so I'm gonna try it. Ooh, huh.
Hot?
Really good. Hold on. That's really good. The seasonings in this are so good. And it's greasy. I think it's corn. It's very light. It's maybe, oh, Maybe it's potato. I don't know. Whatever it's wrapped in and the crab inside is delicious. So that's gonna try now. Actually, hold on. Here we go.
Should we let it cool off? No?
Just maybe blow up before you try it.
bites?
Yeah.
That's good.
That's pretty good,
better
huh?
than fish.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
Is it better than the meat though? Because that's the same kind.
Yeah, I like seafood better.
Yeah. All right, guys, we are going to enjoy our alcapurria. That doesn't sound right. I'm trying. And call it a night. What a busy day we've had. Luquillo Beach, Pina coladas, and now we are eating some greasy beach food.
Yep.
Enjoying
Top
life.
off.
Yeah, right. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and join the crew so that you can stay tuned with all of our Puerto Rico adventures because we're just getting started. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, adios.